My name is Gary Lindner, and I'm the president and CEO of PeopleFund. We're headquartered here in Austin, Texas, and we have 7 locations around the state. What we do is we are committed to social and economic justice, and we do that through small business lending to a target market of minorities, women, and veterans. And so last year, 92% of our loans went to women, minorities, and veterans. So and these are typically, historically, segments of our population that have had difficulty accessing capital through traditional sources. So every person we lend to cannot get a bank loan. So half our loans last year were to startups, half were to women business owners, and then we had obviously 60% to minorities, 27% to veterans. Now some of them obviously are in more than one category, but nevertheless, that's what we focus on, and we're very good at it. We're real fortunate that we have capital from an amazing 35 different sources, and most of it's actually from large banks. And large banks lend to us because we take care of a population that's not financially feasible for them to service. So when we use their money and help small businesses that are disadvantaged, they actually get credit from federal regulators for community reinvestment. So we're actually almost an agent for the bank using their money. And so it's a very good relationship. And so we have received large sums of money at very low interest rates. And then we're able to provide loans to startups and all sorts of small businesses at a interest rate around 5 to 12%, which is very good considering that these folks don't have an opportunity to go somewhere else. We're here for small business owners. We provide capital to get them going to achieve the American dream, and we do that through lending and post-education business training for all of the small businesses that are our clients. We have a variety of products for small business owners. And for example, we have a small business administration loan that is for startups and those with lack collateral. And it's a government guaranteed loan, so we can lend it to them, and we have some security from the government on those loans. Then we have loans that are just from capital that we have, and then we have loans for veterans. We have several programs. So we look at every individual, and there's no cookie cutter. We have underwriters that actually figure out how to make things work. So we don't say, "Oops, your credit score is this." It is not that way at all. I have 4 people, and that's all they do is figure out how to make loans work for clients. So I live here in Austin during the week. My home is a little town called Comfort, Texas, where I grew up. And I grew up on a cattle ranch 7 miles from the nearest one caution light town. So we still have that property. So on the weekends I go and visit with the cows and the deer and all the animals, and they're always very accommodating. They're friendly and happy to see you. So it's a real nice respite from dealing with people all the time.